What's that? It's a cheese grater. It's like pretty cool longboard.
The cheese grater's back this year, a little bit shorter, no Holotech this year. We've made a lot of subtle changes, but overall I think the feel of the board is going to be a lot more comfortable in the best way possible. The general outline of the board stayed the same, just improved it everywhere we could basically.
Because the cheese grater is symmetrical, I can ride both ways. Now I've been on this hill today and all four wheels are pretty much the exact same size, which is just beautiful. I love that, you know? I might actually get these to the core. I tried to keep the micro drops in the same spot, but like shorten the rest of the board. So the wheelbase options went in and the tails went in by the same amount as the wheelbase options, but like the micro drops are still in pretty much the same spot, which is pretty cool. They're nicely spaced out, I think, and it's just a nice standing platform. The concave is a lot more gradual and mellow. The W's not quite as wide. The concave like basically starts curving up right here, and then right here it stops curving and it's literally flat. The last like inch or two is just flat. Yeah, it feels really good. It's like the edges don't like dig into the bottom of your feet. Yeah, it's just a nice solid stiff board.
I'm so hungry it hurts right now. So that's when you need a potatonator.
Pretty cool longboard.